Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Before we are starting DDL, DML, these commands, already I started yesterday class, I think. Okay, data types. Var-char2, you have an idea. Variable length alphanumeric data. What is the advantage of var-char2 data type? 7.0 onwards that will be there. When we are trying to store less number of bytes than the maximum size specified in a declaration, then remaining bytes are never wasted. That is the advantage. More number of bytes means not possible, but less number of bytes means remaining bytes are never wasted. Whatever data you are giving, only that much of memory is reserved, only that much of thing only it will be storing. That is the advantage. That's why most of the programmers are interested to use a what var-char2 whenever they are declaring a what column stores alphanumeric data or characters. Up to that one yesterday we are discussing only. Next, var-char is another data type is there. What is this one? Var-char2 means that is Oracle 7.0 onwards it will be there. But prior to Oracle 7.0 in a Oracle side, another data type is there, that is var-char size, var-char data type. That is in Oracle, prior to Oracle 7.0 means before 7.0 version. If you want to store variable length alphanumeric data, then we are using var-char data type. Syntax is column name var-char size. But what is the maximum size of the var-char means up to 2000 bytes, not a 4000. Yesterday, var-char to 4000, I told no. Yeah, in SQL side, Oracle SQL side, 4000. PL SQL side, 32,726. Okay. But here, var-char means only 2000. Okay. Yeah, take a snap this one. Fast. Because this fundamental you are reading also understandable. Did you complete this one? Anybody newcomers miss? Take a snap through mobile. Completed. Very good. Now check it out. 1 minute observed here. Same like a var-char to var-char also memory management same only. Okay. When we are trying to store less number of bytes means remaining bytes are never wasted. That is everyone knows, I think. But this var-char is available in a olden days versions. Oracle side. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1 versions up to that one, those var-char data type only available. But nowadays available or not available, I will tell you. Okay, fine. Only it will store a what up to 2000 bytes. Slowly, repeatingly, I am telling. Why? Because here something is there. Suppose I am attending an interview based on this knowledge. My interviewer asking, Murali, which versions you are working in your projects, PLSQL project side, is asking. I'm putting a fake experience. I'm telling 12C, 18C, 19C latest versions are there. Those versions I'm working only last 3 years, 4 years onwards. I'm telling, okay, fine. Then immediately interviewer asking, Murali, do you have any idea where cat data type? Yes. Yes, I am telling. Then immediately he is asking, in which project side you are using a var-char? Tell me briefly, 10 or 15 minutes. What is var-char data type in your project? How you are utilizing a what? How you are using a what? That var-char data type. He's asking. Then I am telling stories. Oh, this is the way this column I try to use in this table. That column I try to use in that table. I am using a join. So many procedures. I am writing some stories. I am telling. Okay, fine. Then immediately rejected. Immediately interview is gone. Why my interviewer identifying I am a fake candidate? I don't have an idea of at least minimum basic only means easily identifying only interviewer. Why means reason is there. What the reason means? Here, so many fellows that doesn't know. Actually, nowadays, var-char data type is not available in a Oracle. There is a problem. Var-char really not available. All relational database sites still available this one. In SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, for mixing, REST, Postgres, this all database side, it will be available. Varchar data type, that is ANSI standard data type. All database are available, but Oracle side not available. Oracle 7.0 onwards, varchar data type is there, that is automatically converted into varchar 2. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Suppose varchar data type you are only creating in a where in a project side. For example, varchar data type you are only creating. Then automatically this data type is converted into where varchar 2 data type in your Oracle database side 7.0 onwards. 7.0 version onwards. This varchar only automatically converted into automatically converted into varchar to data type. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. That's why varchar to varchar difference they are asking means nobody telling what properly. Here not available actually Oracle side, but all database side still is available. Here now check it out. Observe here really that is automatically conversion is there or not. Check it out. I am creating a table. Create a table name. For example, here Z1 is a table. For example, in this one here name is a column. Varchar data type I am creating. Varchar. Yes, table is created. I am agree. But whenever we are describing a table means in the future describe you are familiar or now Z1 then automatically that is converted into where varchar 2. Observe here. Here I am declaring a varchar, then automatically server is automatically converted into where varchar 2 only. That's why varchar is not available in a Oracle. Only varchar 2 only there. Anybody creating also nowadays created, but that is server is take care automatically converted into where varchar 2. Observe here. That's why in Oracle 7.0 onwards, whenever we are creating varchar data type also, then Oracle server internally automatically converts varchar data type into varchar 2 data type. Take a snap fastly through the mobile. Take a snap. Complete it fast. Did you complete this one? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate. Another thing. Actually, I'm observing only so many students attending an interview in that one fresher level. Fresher level. Difference between care and where care to means maybe everyone fresher level also correctly they are telling answer because memory management they have an idea. Yesterday I told no, yeah, but unfortunately where their failure in interview side means describe difference between varchar and varchar 2. They are confusing. Why? Because really confusing. Why? Because actually there is no difference in a memory management side. That's why every other writing are two differences. What is that one means? One difference is varchar is an ANSI standard data type which works with all relational database, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, Sybase, Informix, okay, Postgres, all the database side working. But varchar 2 is a Oracle standard. Oracle side only varchar 2 is available. That is the first difference. Second difference means already have an idea, no? Varchar 2 stores up to maximum how many bytes? 4000 bytes. But varchar is a what? Only stores 2000 bytes. Only those two differences only you are telling. Why? Because another differences are not there. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, observe it here. Here, difference between varchar, varchar 2 data types. Varchar data type is an ANSI standard data type which works with all relational databases and also this data type stores up to 2000 bytes. Whereas varchar 2 data type is an Oracle standard and also varchar 2 data type stores up to 4000 bytes. Take a snap this one fast. To the mobile, take a snap fastly. Next, what is my doubt is, okay, yesterday I told no, whenever we are using a what, varchar 2 data type, alphanumeric data, we are allowed to store, but what is the maximum size? 4000 bytes. But I want to store more than 4000 bytes of alphanumeric data. Anybody guess it? How can I? I want to store more than 4000 bytes of alphanumeric data, for example. How can I? Very good. Another data type is there, that is a long is a data type. But so many fellows are not telling a long only. Why? Because some problems are there. Long data type, nobody interested to use. Suppose some Java developers are there in our Oracle side, some Python developers are there. They doesn't have an idea long. Why? Because reason is there. Long data type we are using means restrictions are there. Some rules based only working. That's why maybe so many fellows are doesn't have an idea long data type. Long data type stores up to 2 GB data. It stores a what? So now alphanumeric data, I agree. Same like a varchar, to varchar and character. But unfortunately, yes, here also memory is what now never wasted. Only whatever data you are giving, that is storing. Okay, I'm agree. But why this is not popular means that is restriction based working. What is that one means? Screen observe. Suppose here first problem in the sense rules based. Okay, observe it here. This is a table is there. In this table, A is a column, B is a column, C is a column, D is a column is there, for example. Now A column I am declaring a what? Yes, varchar 2. B column varchar 2. C column varchar 2 possible. Suppose A column I am declaring in this example roughly. Now here long is a data type. Again B column I try to use a long. No, we are not allowed to use. Again C column. No. A D column. No. That's why always there can be only one long column per table. There can be only one long column per table. More than one long column, failure. And also, primary key is a concept is there in a feature. Yes, that primary key also we are not allowed to create an aware long data type column. Again, so many drawbacks are there in a feature. Subqueries are there, query with another query. Yes, long data type column data we cannot read. Again, regular expressions is a concept is there. In that one, long is not working. So many drawbacks are there. But unfortunately, these all the things olden days rules based only, ANSI standard rules based only working. That's why this is outdated nowadays. And now observe here, really a long means in Oracle, if you want to store more than 4,000 bytes of alphanumeric data, then we are using long data type. This long data type stores up to 2 GB data. What is the syntax? Column name long. Long means there is no size only. Okay, na? Yeah. And now take a snap. This one practical I will show you. Not important also. Better to know. Complete. Yes. And now check it out. Did you complete this one fast? Take a snap through mobile. And now check it out. Suppose, for example, here I'm creating a what? One table. Create table. Z2, anything also. Long. One column I'm declaring. Long is a data type. There is no size. Okay, not a problem. Now here, in this case, create table. And now in this case, there is no problem only. And now table is created or not? Yes. Now describe table, okay, Z2 like this only. Yes, one column is a long, possible or not? Yes, up to 2 GB data, not a problem. But more than one column I try to create. Observe it here, create table today or tomorrow onwards, table creation also you have an idea. Yes, here, observe it here. Now one column I try to declare a what? A long. Another column I try to declare a long, it won't work. Error. Because restriction based, rules based. A table may contain only one column of long type. That's why nowadays more data means CLOB data type is there. Images means BLOB data type is there. No, old same like the character data, this type of PDF files we are storing means CLOB data type. That is character large object is there. And now a table may contain only one column of type long or not. Yes. Again, primary key in a feature. Observe it here. Now I try to create here column one long data type. Here primary key is some concept is there. That one we are trying to create impossible. Observe here. Key column cannot be of long data type. That's why always you are observing or not. Here generally there can be only one long column per table, and also we are not allowed to create a primary key on long data type column. Take a snap this one. Okay, na? Again take a snap. These two. Actually, create table, you don't have an idea also. Take a snap because later it is helpful. This knowledge is helpful. Okay, now. And now observe here. That's why always in a real-time project side, whenever we are trying to store character data, otherwise whenever we are try to store alphanumeric data, better to go for which one? Varchar2. Char is there, varchar is there, varchar2 is there, long is there, but nobody preferring anything. Only they are preferring a what? Varchar2 data type. Observe here. Suppose here this a table is there, EMP table, already predefined table. This one. Here e name is a column. Here job is a column. Here okay, two columns are there, character columns. How they are declaring a what? Oracle Corporation also here varchar2, varchar2. Something is there or not? Again here this is a what? Another table. Select star from DEPT is a table. In this table also observe it here fastly. Here D name and location they are defining a what? Here not a long, not a char, not a varchar, only varchar2. And now here there is a Oracle data type. No, yeah, here observe here varchar2 like this. That's why any characters are there, alphanumeric characters are there, better to go for varchar2. Suppose in my project side, I'm creating like this, create table. Don't write it, just observe it here. Employee details I want to store in my project. Employee is the table name. Here, e name I'm taking only. Yes, employee name is better to go for what? Varchar2. Okay, NS size. Okay, yeah. Again, mail ID I want to store. For example, mail ID I want to store means varchar2. Okay, yeah, 20, 30, anything. Now I try to insert a data, insert into in a future. We are inserting, updating, so many things are there. Employee values like this, some commands are there. Here my name is Murali. I try to insert. Now here my mail ID I try to insert like this. This is called alphanumeric data, not yes. We are trying to store a what? Alphanumeric data here. Size is more here, 21. Alter table, table name, employee, modify, mail ID, varchar 225. Okay, I'm changing the size, don't worry. These are all the things in a future you are familiar. Now observe it here. I try to store here one row inserted. Now check it out. Select star from here employees in a company employees table. Okay, yeah, observe it here. Suppose here, yes, this is a what? Column name, e name, mail ID. Here e name, I'm storing my name Murali. My mail ID mvmsrinivas@gmail.com like this only. Okay, yeah, this is data. These are called columns only. Here in these two columns also, I'm declaring a what? Which one? Varchar2 data type. Observe it here. Yes, varchar2 data type only. Okay, yeah, this is a size and a size we are giving on. Suppose whenever I'm giving my name is mvmsrinivas@gmail.com is here 20 bytes. Sorry, 21. But here 20 only I'm declaring. It will give a error. No? How I'm changing that one means alter with modify DDL command is there. Don't worry. Through that one I'm changing a size 20 to 25 only. Then automatically working or not. These all the things how means next you are learning only DDL, DML means through that one you are understandable. Okay, yeah. That's why up to now just very easy. Char, varchar2 long is there, but better to go for which one? Only varchar2 in a Oracle. Okay, yeah. Next. Another data type, very interesting, very interesting. Date. Observe it here. Date is a data type. If you want to store dates, then we are using a what? Declaring a what? Date is a data type or timestamp is a data type in a future. Don't worry. Timestamp also most powerful in a future, but basic level date. Now check it out. Suppose this is a table is there in my project only. Select a star from employee is a table is there recently I'm creating. For example, in this employee table, I want to store not only employee name, not only mail ID, date of joining only. I want to add a one new column. That is better to declare a what? A date is a data type. Why? Because dates we are storing only. Okay, na? Yeah. How we are adding means alter table, table name, employee. Don't write it here. Employee add here date of joining DOJ anything also here date is a data type. Okay, yeah. Now here check it out. Select the star from what is the table name? Employee like this. And now here check it out. Here observe here. employee name, Murali, yes, email ID, okay, this one, here date of joining me is what? So now here how you are inserting this one means I will tell you, but first observe here date of joining is a what? Here, okay, higher date, oh, sorry, okay, date is a column. Now describe here employee. Why I am not inserting means some reason is there, I will tell you. And now here observe here date is a data type or not? Yes, that's why first we are learning a date data type, then I am inserting, don't worry. And now here, yes, date. It is used to store dates in Oracle date format. Okay, yeah, here. And now here, what is the syntax? Column name, date. There is no size only. Take a snap this one fast. It is used to store dates in Oracle date format. Syntax, column name, space, date. Okay, now, very good. Now, first line again, read this one. It is used to store dates in Oracle date format. Actually, in every database, one default date format is there. Different date formats in a where databases. SQL Server, different default date format. Oracle, different default date format. Anybody having idea what is the default date format in Oracle? Anybody? Anybody guess it? In a Java developer, Python developers, in a Oracle side, basic. Anybody? Oracle. Yes, very good. DD means some number. Very good. DD. Guess it. DD correct. Next. MM means month. Yeah. Why? Four Y's they are telling wrong one. Wrong answer. Next. DD, okay. Very good. Okay. Two Y's. Two Y's. Wrong one. Again, some fellows are telling Murli, sir, month is first. Very good. Month, year, data, day. This is also wrong one. Actually, DD correct. Remaining, guess it. DD, okay. Very good. DD. Very good. One fellow is telling only. Very good. Great. Here, maybe experienced person. MON. Correct. MON means month. MON means three characters. December means DEC. March means MAR. February means FEB. November means NOV. Three characters, okay? October means OCT. May means May only. Three characters only. Yeah. DD, correct. Up to now, correct. DD, Next, which one? RR actually, but why? Okay, for example. But unfortunately, this is also slight difference only. Wrong one. Why? Because DD correct, MON correct, YY correct also. Slight difference only. What they are telling Oracle Corporation, DD hyphen they are giving. MON hyphen they are giving and RR or YY. Okay, like this. Hyphen. That's why today date. What is the today date? 30. Yeah? Very good. 30 hyphen May means May only. Okay, na? 3 letters. Again 25. Okay, na? Yeah, here. That's what default date format is DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. Very important. Really, this is correct or not? Check it out. Suppose today date I want to view means in a future some comments are there. Okay, na? Yeah, here observe here. Now check it out. Yes, 30 DD hyphen MON hyphen YY 30 May 2025. Suppose here in your EMP table side, predefined table side, here higher date is a column is there. That is a joining date. They are also defining a what? A date is a what? A data type. Observe it here. Yes, date is a data type. They are declaring like this. But here, storing a data, observe it here. DD 17. Hyphen December is not there. DEC is there. 80 means 1980, 2080. Which one? 4 digits means later you are familiar. 2 underscore cat 2. Don't worry. Again, 20 hyphen February means FEB, 3 letters. MON. Again, April means what? 02, April means MON means APR. September means SCP. That's why three letters only. And now DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. Very good. Okay, na? Most powerful. This to any other format we are changing means we are using two care. Again, alter session set analysis parameters through we are changing anything. So many things are there. Big concept, date in session or anything. Suppose here this is a table is there in my table. Select star from employer, employee. Roughly observe it here. Just here date of joining. I want to insert. And now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose I'm experienced person means I'm typing a what something, and you are also typing something in a feature. Here I'm inserting a what today date or not 30 May 2025. Okay, and DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. That's why employee is a table is there. In this table, Murali is a what? A data. This is a character where 2. This is also Murali. Okay, so now a mail ID where 2. Date of joining means this is a date is a data type. Okay, yeah, here. Now here. That's why what is the Oracle by default date format? DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. Take a snap this one. Complete it fast. Okay. And now suppose I'm inserting a water data. Don't write it. Just observe it here. In a future, you are also inserting some problem is there. I will tell you. Employee. Suppose in my project side, some values I'm copying from the Excel sheets, otherwise flat files, anything. Some employee data. Suppose for example, another employee name ABC, for example. Okay, his mail ID is what? ABC underscore XYZ 123 at the rate gmail.com. For example, okay, yeah, this is also storing only. Next, observe it here. Here, a date means any date I try to store. Suppose here 2 underscore date, something is there, don't worry. In a format also, suppose 12th here 03 2025 March. Here, some concept is there in a future, don't worry, DD. This is the way you are writing in a future, not today, because you don't have an idea. Yes, you are observing or not, in my flat file, what is the format is there? 12th slash March 03 2025. I'm inserting, okay, fine. But here, other than default date format, I am inserting. Okay, some functions are there. I am inserting some rules I am following. Don't worry. But which format is there? Something dd slash slash yy anything I'm insert, but unfortunately finally here I'm giving like this also, finally storing in a way this format. That's why that is default date format. Suppose now it will be storing here 12 hyphen mar, it will be storing March means mar hyphen 25, it will be storing. Really correct? Yes. Here observe here, yes. Here I'm giving a slash also, dd hyphen mon hyphen yes, yy it will be storing or not. That's why that is called default date format. That is called what? Default date format only. Default date format. Suppose here insert into table name, employee, values. Don't write it, just observe it here. XYZ is another employee. Again here, XYZ underscore yes, anything also at the rate gmail.com. Okay, another employee mail ID. And now, comma, here, 2 underscore date is a function through in a future. Some functions are there. Here, 18 September 2025. I'm storing only. And now check it out. Whenever I try to execute this query, and now observe it here. Here in my project side, I try to store a what? 18th 09 25, but finally it will be storing in a where? 18th hyphen September means what? SEP it will be storing, and also 25. That's why that is a default date format. Observe it here. Yes. Here observe it here, very important. Why I'm telling example also means in a future you are remembering only. Here XYZ character data, this alphanumeric data. Here 18 hyphen September means SCP MON hyphen 25. That's why always by default date format is DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. This is number data type side. Two things are there. 1 minute observed here. Very important. Last one. Now check it out. Answer it. Then onwards DDL, DML practically we are learning. Suppose anybody good at what? C language. In a C language side, always integer, float, double, character. These type of data types are there. Suppose float is a data type is there. A. I am declaring A is a variable. Again, integer is a data type is there. B is a variable. I am declaring. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Observe it here. Here, A is a variable in a floating point value means here floating point value it will be storing 34.9 anything. Again, B is a variable here. I am storing a what? Only integer, for example. Okay. Yeah. Now observe it here. Same like a floating point value here. What is the data type is there means number of P comma S. P means precision, S means scale. Don't worry. What is that one means practical? I will show you. Again, integer means number of P. Okay. Number of P. P is a number. Okay. Don't worry. Precision. That's why floating point values I want to store me same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a okay, C, C++. Float is a data type is there, no? But here number of P comma S is a data type is there. P means precision, S means scale. Again, integers only we are allowed to store means a number of P is available. Okay, yeah, here. Now really that is correct. Now check it out. Here select star from EMP. In this table, you are observing or not here numbers. Here employee number means only integers are there, only pure numbers are there. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Number of 4 is available. Observe here. Here number of 4 is there. Yeah. Again, here you are observing or not, here 2 digits only we are storing. In this department number column, 2 is available or not, check it out. Number of 2. What is number of P means I will tell you pressure. Suppose sometimes in a floating point values means number of 7, 2 pressure, scale. It will be displayed or not? Yes, here. That's why always if you want to store floating point values means number of P, S. If you want to store only fixed number means then number of P we are using only. Okay. First observe here 1 minute only. Number of P, S. It is used to store floating point values. Syntax column name number of P, S only. Here observe it here. P means precision. What is precision means I will tell you. Here P means precision. Precision means total number of digits. Before decimal, after decimal, total number of digits are there, no? That one. Total number of digits. S means scale. Number of P, S. P means precision. Precision means total number of digits. What is that one? I will tell you. S means scale means after decimal point to right hand side. How many digits are there? That one scale. This number of P, S format is it is used to store floating point values. Syntax is column name number of P, S. Okay, na? Yeah, up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow there is no class. First time, no. On Monday, I will tell you this continuation and also DDL, DML, these all the things practically I will tell you. Okay, anybody not attending previous classes? Please be refer what are those video classes. Through that one, very easily understandable. Okay, because these are fundamental. No? Yeah, practically next class onwards we are learning. Monday will continue. Thank you. Monday will continue.